This video unfolds in 3 parts, each revealing critical insights. In part 1, we discovered the essence of product strategy, describing it as a magical compass for your product success. Now in the part 2, we will delve into the art of crafting this magic step by step. And finally, in the part 3, we will seamlessly integrate product strategy into the broader landscape of business development, ensuring it dances in harmony with company's mission and goals. If this sounds interesting, stay with me and let's dive and unreveal the secrets together. Understanding product strategy. Imagine scrolling into a bakery, all set to indulge in a delicious treat. But oh no, there are so many options that you are left a bit overwhelmed. Sound familiar? Now think about your favorite bakery having a game plan. Foolproof recipe for success that ensures each treat is not just yummy, but precisely what you crave. Well, that's the magic of a well-crafted product strategy. Why does product strategy matter? Ever wondered why some products become hits while others quietly disappear? It's all about the heart of product development, the product strategy. Product strategy is not just a fancy document. It's like the GPS guiding your product through the unpredictable market seas. Crafted with care, it's the key to unlocking your product's full potential. Now, let's talk about how this magic happens. So picture the product owner as the maestro conducting an orchestra. They are the visionaries behind the products, orchestrating every move to create a harmonious melody. So why product owners? Well, they bring a unique mix of business smarts, customer understanding, and technical know-how. They are the bridge connecting stakeholders, developers, end users, and making them the perfect architects for a solid product strategy. But there's the catch. It's not a solo gig. Crafting a product strategy is a team effort, a collaborative dance with folks from marketing, sales, development, and customer support. The more diverse perspectives, the richer the strategy. In our journey to unreveal the secrets of a robust product strategy, we will discover that it's more than just a document. It's a magic wand guiding your product through the unpredictable seas of the market. Now let's dive into the art of creating this magic step by step. Part 2. Creating a powerful product strategy. Start with vision. Begin by envisioning where you want your product to be in the future. What problems will it solve, and how it will impact users' lives? Your vision statement should answer why you are creating the product and what your company aims to achieve. For example, Google's vision is to provide access to the world's information in one click. I have a full course on product vision and product goals and goal setting, so if you are interested, it's very affordable. You might want to check it out in the description of this video. Okay, now let's move to the step number 2. Conduct a market research. So base your strategy on data-driven insights. Understand your market, competitors, and crucially your customers. Data is our compass guiding you to potential opportunities and threats in the market. Collaborate with cross-functional teams. Involve stakeholders from marketing, sales, development, and customer support. Gain diverse perspectives because your product strategy isn't just for your eyes, it's a guide that needs effective communication to all stakeholders. Transparency builds trust. Prioritize key initiatives. Not everything can be a priority. Identify and focus on key initiatives aligned with your vision. This ensures optimal resources used for maximum impact. Set measurable objectives. Define specific, quantifiable goals for each initiative with the key performance indicators, KPIs, for tracking progress. Objectives must be realistic and achievable, aligning with available resources. Create actionable strategies. Develop practical plans to achieve objectives. Outline clear steps, allocate resources, and set a timeline. Think of it as crafting a roadmap, turning goals into concrete, doable plans with mitigation strategies for potential challenges. Build a roadmap. Create a detailed plan outline the sequence of initiatives. It's a visual guide that sets timelines, assigning resources, and marks key milestones. Like drawing a clear path on a map, it helps everyone understand the product journey for smoother coordination. Iterate and adapt. Revisit and iterate your product strategy regularly. The market is dynamic, so should be your strategy. Be open to feedback and insights, adapting the strategy based on the market changes or organizational priorities. Adaptability is the key to sustained success. As we wrap up the intricacies of crafting a powerful product strategy, we'll learn about the vital step from envisioning your product's future to practical planning. Now let's pivot our focus to understanding how this strategy masterpiece seamlessly integrates into the broader landscape of business development. It's not just about creating a strategy in isolation, it's about ensuring that your product's journey aligns harmoniously with the overarching goals and mission of your company. Part 3. Integrating product strategy into business development. Now, let's seamlessly weave our understanding of product strategy into the broader tapestry of business development. A robust product strategy aligns with the company's mission, vision, and overarching goals. It's not a lone ranger, but a vital engine propelling the business forward. In this grand exploration of product strategy, we will delve into its definition, grasp its significance, and mastered the art of crafted one. It's more than a document. It's the symphony orchestrating your product's journey to success. As you venture into product development, ask yourself, do I have a roadmap, a clear strategy, or I am navigating blindly? The answer shapes your product's destiny. Crafting a powerful product strategy is one of the art and science. Embracing creativity, lean on data, iterate as needed. With a well-crafted product strategy, your product isn't just a treat in the bakery, it's the star of show, leaving an indelible impression. Concluding our product strategy journey involves 2 pivotal steps: measuring and analyzing results, and celebrating success with learning from failures. Regularly measuring key performance indicators, KPIs, and analyzing outcomes is like taking stock out of your progress. Identifying successes to replicate, celebrate and achievements, and simultaneously recognize areas for improvements. Regularly measuring key performance indicators, KPIs, and analyzing outcomes is like taking stock out of your progress. Identify success to replicate, celebrate achievements, and simultaneously recognize areas for adjustments. This fuels a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Acknowledge and celebrate successes to boost team morale. Equally crucial is learning from failures, transforming setbacks into opportunities for improvement. This dual approach ensures a dynamic and adaptive product strategy that evolves with the business and market dynamics. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to crafting a powerful product strategy. Feel free to revisit this guide for a freshener. If you are eager to delve deeper into creating your product vision and goals, check the link in the description for a short but impactful course on this topic. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and thank you for joining. Until the next time, goodbye and happy strategizing.